come here. I quickly show. Actually, I got to go for my next surgery, so keep it normally closed. Okay, show me that. Come here with that. I'll show you what all has been done. Hold this. Now, see this side is still loose thing that's there. It's all going to get tightened up. But you see this height.
Yeah.
Keep it closed. Yeah, you can see this height has been increased. It's been made angular and it's been made proportional. So by doing that, this facial height has improved a little bit, and we've also taken a little bit off here, so the width of the nose is actually suiting nicely. Now we show you the side view. Look at this view. This way. Look at that. Compare. On the mirror only you can see how clearly the difference is.
Yeah.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
You have to look. That's why I'm trying to show. Look at that difference. Same angle we've got the picture. Even look at your nose. Even look at the way and there's still swelling. This is going to go nicely in, you know.
Okay.
And so when it goes in, you're going to get a beautiful jawline from here. You see that it's already coming up. Yeah, it will go in because this is bony surgery. You can check the difference in the pre-op. Keep this hand down. Okay, now this was done. Now we'll go to this. Okay, go this side and see. Again. Can you see that? This was straight line.
Yeah.
And now see, it's got this line.
Mm-hmm.
So you're being anxious is not on solid ground. It's not justified.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to do this. I told them to make you wait so that you see how the changes are. It's not a dramatic change. Nobody will say you're not you. They'll only be wondering what's happened to you. Like, you know, you're looking slightly more attractive, okay, or you're looking a little bit more beautiful. This will happen. So go in peace, take rest. Don't panic. Don't do stupid things. Don't go to another doctor and say something, this, that. Just relax. Also, you have to understand that there's swelling. There's going to be a lot of natural process of healing. I keep telling patients 1 week here, 1 month later for this kind of a procedure. So 1 week for you is not over. 6th day, right? Or 5th day. So give it 1 more month. We'll give you another number which you can contact us. If there's anything, I'll give you my number or Dr. Priya's one of the numbers also. So you don't have to panic or anything. Nothing will be there. Your first concern, make sure nothing gets infected. Take our medications regularly. Take good rest. Second concern, you'll remove the sutures of your on day 7.
Okay.
Go to a good person because very fine sutures are there. You'll have to take them off carefully. The next thing, apply ointment and stay in touch with us.
Okay.
This is the immediate thing. Give it some time, and I swear you will be very, very, very happy in the months to come. And then if you want me to do something there, which I said I can't improve a lot, we can consider that.
Okay.
But for the moment, this is good. Any other doubts you have or questions? All done?
It's like I'm not able to move.
That'll take time. That'll take a while because the muscles are all detached. It's going to take maybe about 1 month till you start feeling comfortable, till your numbness comes back. Everything will take a while, but just give it enough break,
Because
enough
I can't
time.
even smile.
Yeah, you can't smile, not even. This is a big procedure, Baba.
Yeah.
We've done the whole jaw, osteotomy and all. You know, it will take a while. It's just 5 days up.
It's kind of paining also
Now, because we stopped the IV medications, we're going to give you the tablets now.
Okay.
Get her both Kitrol and Dolo.
Okay.
We'll give you both.
Yeah,
So,
it's also getting dry. So the
dry mouth.
yeah, dry mouth.
So you can keep having sips of water.
Okay.
Keep having sips of water. You can start with soft solid diet. And you've taken our post-op follow-up number also, right?
Yeah.
Done. And what time is your flight?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So you hang around here for some more time. Don't go now. Go by 4 o'clock or something.
Yeah, 4 o'clock.
Because it'll take 2.5 hours sometimes in back traffic. 4:30 you leave. They finish all the discharge summary, give you everything. I'm going to go for my next surgery, so I won't be able to see you till you leave. But you take this number, and I think we've explained everything. So chill. And please put the tape, you know, because if it's open, it looks like it's bloody, and they sometimes create issues when you're about to travel. So she'll clean up, and doctor will put a tape.
Doctor, are these holes not looking big? I mean, will the swelling go?
The swelling will go down. Now, what we have done is only altered your existing nair. So nasal opening, we made it a little narrow. So I'm not saying it's going to be like a wow result for your nose, Because we've just done a little bit of the work. If we do a rhinoplasty, I can alter it more.
No,
But that's the point. But we've just done a little bit thing on the alar base alone. So, you know, so
I
that
think
much change will be there.
I think the holes which are there, and they are like they haven't changed, right?
No.
I mean, the
No,
size hasn't changed.
no. That's why we did. You have your earlier picture also, right?
Yeah, I'm actually not able to.
Appreciate it. Just relax.
Because I mean, identify. Right?
Just relax, you know. See, because you're now thinking that too many things have happened and you're a little bit
That's right.
anxious. Just relax for a few days, for a few weeks, and then I explained to you before, after, in the most clear way. We can show you the scans also, and then you can just go and relax, and then after a few weeks everything will be fine. Drop in a message if you have any doubt or any concern or anything. All right, so safe journey, and take care. Bye. So now you're not upset.
Yeah.
Good. Right. So we